Hi guy, I'm going to show you this video how to do polished concrete for existing slab and the new slab. So you can see after we prep the slab, the complete floor, and hit it twice, and then we remove the plastic stripe for the expansion joint. Now we started to do concrete filler for joints. Okay, you can see so what happened that is self-leveling, so they will take care of the joints. And you can see here other two guys, they put the sponge block filler. You can see they'll take care of the joint, and you can see this area. They prep using that machine with the material to hit it, make it nice and smooth. You can see how it looks. To do polished concrete for existing floor. Okay, and then they will hit it twice and polish it, and I will show you like the sample how it looks like after they finish with it. Sample like 10 foot times 10 foot, so it's got approved from architect and owner. Then you can see here, you can see how it looks like. That's prepared, that's how it looks like, and you can see the joints, how the joint will look, and you can see that's the existing, that's prepared floor, and that's like the sample. It will be like this, that's concrete polished floor. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, we'll upload more videos. Thank you, bye.